Hello friends, it's Reza. You've come to channel Reza Blade. Don't forget to subscribe. It does help me out a lot. And like this video if you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And with no further ado, let's get on to the review. Today I am reviewing Bundle Monster's brand new plate set, Stay Weird. And I thought I would like it a lot more than I do. It's just not very cohesive, I think is the word I'm looking for. It's it was hard to come up with manicure ideas for which I only use these plates. They're great to add to other plates, but if I'm just using these 5 plates, here's what I came up with, and I still had to cheat on this left hand. So here's my first manicure. Got a space theme there. This one and this one, these nails are from the Teenage Daydream set. Now these are all from Stay Weird, but the chevron itself is from the Ali Express geometric set of plates that I reviewed a while back. And here's a skeleton. So those are my manis, and let's show you the plates. Although, interestingly enough, they are out of order. Alright, so there's fuzz all over everything today. I have no idea what's going on with that. These cotton balls are crazy. Whoop. All right. Pretty cool full nail images there. Like those a lot. Now there was a domino full nail image on another plate, so this is a good one to pick up. Be able to color that in. Here's a spray paint can. You could put that near or on the brick wall that's later on in the collection. This is Teenage Dream. That doesn't go. Alright. Whoops. Upside down. I like that it has composition paper, like with school. I like these geometric symbols. This is cut the shit. So it is adult like. This is I want to KI blank blank you. I guess there's supposed to be some sort of ephemeral, I don't know, difference between kiss and kill. I don't know. I can't say. There's a brick wall. I don't quite know what that is, but it's a neat image. This is I Hate Everyone. Food Before Dudes. There we go. And let's see how they stamped. Got your swatches here. This is 106. And they are available separately if you wanted them just separately. 107. I see these kind of stamped in neon over black. It would be cool, like little light lines in the night. Okay, 108. $109. And 110. There you go. I hope you enjoyed these. I did find that they stamped okay. The design aspect was the only thing where I found them a little bit lacking. Combined with the Teenage Dream set, I think it's an awesome opportunity for lots and lots and lots of infinity amount of manis. So if you already have the Teenage Dream set, this is a really good set to get on top of that. Otherwise, it just depends on whether you like the images or not. I thought the images would carry me through, and now I find myself kind of regretting that I bought it. So it's just a personal decision. They're immensely quality. They're definitely quality plates. Plates of perfection from Bundle Monster. They don't do any less, do they? But anyway, so thank you for sticking around for my review and listening to what I think. Again, all my reviews are just my opinions. I'm just a hobby nail artist sharing her passion. I hope that comes across. And I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.